Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My hair looks really crazy right now, but today is going to be like a get ready with me wedding style, if you can already tell by the title. So my hair is already straight. I got it done like 2 days ago. They did it for me, and I'm just gonna be like re-straightening it. So I'm gonna be taking you through like me re-straightening it and like all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna show you like my outfit and like everything when I'm done finished. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. Like I said, I'm just gonna be already straightening it because it's not gonna be curly, but it's literally gonna be like from scratch. So like me pulling it out of this. I'm just really hot right now, so I have to wait a little bit because I just like took a really hot shower and I just need to cool off. But yeah, so like this is what it looks like right now. And I have a mirror that's like right here, so I'm gonna be like looking more in like that mirror and at you guys, but to make sure that you guys have like a good view of like everything. But yeah, we'll get started in a few. All right, so without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hopefully this stays up for you guys because it's at a good angle, but I want to make sure that you guys can like see everything, and I don't want my camera to fall like backwards or forwards. So yeah, so I am using the same brush that I've always used before. In my previous videos, I probably showed you guys just the Pro Beauty tools I got from Target, and I'm just going to, okay, sorry. So yeah, my battery was like being weird. So yeah, I think I was just saying I brushed my hair, and then, so that like kind of looks flowy. You can't, oh yeah, you can see the bottom. See how it like just looks flowy like all around, like, we just want it, whoa, we just want it to be soft and silky and just like good, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go ahead and start straightening. Oh, also I use this what is it, Infinity? It's called Infinity Pro by Conair. It's a blue one like this. I've had this one for a while. It's kind of thick, not really thick, but it's made for like all hair types. I have curly hair and I use this still, so it's like a really good straightener. But yeah, so sometimes I like part it into sections so I can like straighten it easier, but I'm just going to just go right at it because I'm like kind of short on time, just slightly, but it's okay. So I like grab little pieces, probably about like that thin, and like I start all the way, whoa, hold on, I start all the way up here and go down because you want to get the root of your head because you want it to be wavy, right? Just a couple times and flip it right over like that. So we're gonna fast forward this a little bit to get you guys, you know, moving and stuff. So like when you flip your hair back over, you're gonna see like all up here how wavy it is, and you're gonna want to get that because that's like, you're not gonna want to have like the top of your head wavy and stuff. So yeah. Guys, so I'm about to go ahead and head out. So I'm not wearing the like shoes right now because they actually really hurt my feet, and we have like a while till like the wedding actually starts, but I have to like go meet my boyfriend and I'm just gonna show you. These are the shoes. They're from Aldo and they're like super cute. And then I just have one like silver jewelry, and then my like watch, and this like blue Pandora bracelet that I got a while ago. And then this is basically like the outfit. It kind of made it like a bodysuit. You can't really see, but these pants have a bow. They're by the Maddie pants from New York and Company. And then I kind of just did like a dress shirt, tucked it in with my slides because my feet hurt. But I'll change my shoes like after. And then the makeup is just plain like makeup. My hair is just plain, like all plain, boring doll here. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!